guys, Miss Qualchick here for today's phonics lesson. So we're going to do it just like normal. We're going to review our sounds that we've already learned from phase 3. Then we're going to move on to our new phase 3 sound. And then we're going to end on our common exception words. All right, are we ready? If you have a pen and a piece of paper, that would be fantastic, or a whiteboard and a whiteboard pen. If not, you can use your magic finger and you can write in the air. All right? So we're going to review our sounds that we've already learned first. Now remember about our oo and our sound that we learned the last 2 days and how they're a little bit different. So this one is our sound. Fantastic. And just the 2 O's is our oo sound. All right? So let's get going. Fantastic. O. Oo. Fantastic. Y. E. Ng. Sh. Z. J. A. I. Z. Ch. W. Qu. X. Fantastic. So what's going to happen this time is I'm going to mix them up, and this time you're going to do it all alone, and you're going to do it as quickly as you can. All right, you down for that? All right, just mixing it up. So we have sorry guys. Fantastic job, you guys. Really happy with that. I know it's a bit tricky to remember all of those sounds, but you guys are doing absolutely fantastic. Really well done. All right, now we're going to go over our words that have our old sounds in them. Now remember, if it has our double O sound in it, if it has this sound in it, then we need to figure out whether it's oo or whether it's So the best way to do it is just to choose one, try it out. If it doesn't look right, then it's the other one. For example, if we have this word here. So the options are k, kul, or k, oo, cool. So what one would it be? It would be oo. All right, so try out both of them and see which one works. All right? So let's give it a go. So our first word, I'm gonna hide cool in there so you guys don't know it. All right, so I'll do the first one. So wax, wax. Your turn. Fantastic. All right, I didn't hide that one very well, did I? Let me hide it properly in there. All right, this time you're going to do it first. Thick. Them. Did you figure out what that sound is? Good, it's not oo, because it's not ood. It's not good, it's good. So d. Good. Quit. Do 2 more. Week. And last one. Chick. Lovely. Now we're going to have 4 words that we are going to be writing using our Fred fingers and then writing them down. So our first word that we're going to do is wait. So I will do the first one with you, and then after that you guys are going to do them independently first. Okay, so our first word is wait. So we have wa-a-t. So when we write it, we have so you can see wait. All right, so now it's your turn to write it first. So your word is two, and it's not two like the number. It's too as in there are too much, or there is too much soda in the fridge. Too as in an excessive amount. Too. All right, so we have ooh, ooh. So when we write it, we have ooh, two. If you got that right, give yourself a tick. If you got it wrong, please correct it. All right, your next word, shed. Shed. So sound it out using your Fred fingers and then write it down for me, please. All right, so we have shed. Shed. So when we write it, we have shed. Shed. If you got that right, give yourself a tick. If you got it wrong, please correct it. And your last word that you are going to write is cool. Cool. So sound it out with your Fred fingers and then write it down for me, please. Go ahead. All right, so we have k-oo-ul. K-oo-ul. So when we write it, we have our curly k sound. Ooh. Oh, cool. If you got that right, give yourself a tick. If you got it wrong, please correct it. All right, fantastic job, you guys. Now we are going to learn our new sound, and our new sound is R. R. R, R, R. R. Fantastic, and our new sound looks like this. So can you please write down our new sound 5 times for me, please? All right, and what is our new sound? R, fantastic. Now I'm going to hide our R sound in our old sounds, and when you see this sound, I want you to put your hand over your eye like a pirate, because pirates say, R, matey. All right, so you're going to put your hand over your eye like a pirate. So when you see this sound, you're going to go R. All right, are we ready? So I'm going to hide it in our old sounds. Doo, doo, doo. All right. Ooh. E. Sh. R. Fantastic. Hide it again in there. Z. J. R. Great job. R. Fantastic. I'll hide it twice more in there. R. Fantastic. And hide it once more. Fantastic job, you guys. All right, now we're going to read some words with our R sound in them. So I will show you how to do it for the first one, and then after that, you're going to do it first. So it'll look like this. Sh, R, P. Sharp. Your turn. Lovely. Now it's your turn to do it first. H, R, sh. Harsh. K, R, car. hard. Ooh, this one's a long one. Let's break it up into our syllables. So our first syllable is something on there. Our first syllable is this one. So let's break it up. So we have R, farm. Then we'll break up into our second one. Y-R-D, yard. So we have farm, yard, farmyard. B-R, bar. All right, now we're going to write our words that have our R sound in them. So I'm going to pick out 4 words. The first one I'm going to do with you, and then after that you're going to do them independently, okay? So our first word is going to be a bit of a tricky one, but I'm going to do it with you. And it is market. Market. So we have R, K. That's our kicking K. So R, K, E, T. R, K, E, T. So we have our 5 sounds. So when we write it, we have R, our new sound, our kicking K, E, T, market. It's a long word. It's our 5 sounds. All right, now it's your turn to do it first. So your word is park, park, and our K sound is our kicking K. So go ahead, sound it out with your Fred fingers, and then write it down for me, please. All right, so we have P-R-K, P-R-K. So when we write it, we have P-R-K, park. If you got that right, give yourself a tick. If you got it wrong, please correct it. Your next word you're going to do is card. Card. And this one is our curly K for card. So sound it out with your Fred fingers and then write it down for me, please. Go ahead. All right, so we have K-R-D. K-R-D. So when we write it, we have K-R, our new sound, D, card. If you got that right, give yourself a nice tick. If you got it wrong, please correct it. And our last word that we're going to be writing with our R sound in it is march. March. So sound it out with your Fred fingers and then write it down for me, please. All right, so we have arch. Arch. So when we write it, we have march. If you got that right, give yourself a tick. If you got it wrong, please correct it. Oh, that C and H look like they're connected. Sorry, guys. March. All right, now what we're going to do today we're going to be practicing spelling our common exception words. And then starting next week, we're going to be starting to write sentences with our common exception words. All right, so today we're just going to be spelling them. So I am going to pick 5 words and we're going to be spelling those 5 exception words. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I've just picked random ones. I haven't chosen specific ones, I like to be a little bit of a mystery. All right, so our first word is me. 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 So can you please write down me on your board or on your piece of paper or in the air with your magic finger, please? All right, so we should have me, which is and me. All right, your next word you're going to write is her. Her. So sound. Remember, with common exception words, we don't sound it out. We just need to know how to spell it. So writing down her on your piece of paper, your whiteboard, or in the air with your magic finger, please go ahead. All right, so we have her, which is H-E-R, her. You got those right? Give yourself some ticks. Sorry, I forgot to tick the first one. I like seeing a lovely tick there. Our next word is R. There are 4 candies. R. Writing down R for me, please. Not R like our sound today, but the word R. So we should have A-R-E. That's our word R. If you got that right, give yourself a nice tick. If you got it wrong, please correct it. Our next word is you. You. So go ahead and write you on the board or on your piece of paper. All right, so we should have, I'm going to actually flip it over right on the back. U, so Y-O-U. If you got that right, give yourself a tick. If you got it wrong, please correct it. And our last word for today is they. They. So writing they on your board or on a piece of paper or in the air with your magic finger. All right, so we have they. So T-H-E-Y. They. If you got that right, give yourself a tick. If you got it wrong, please correct it. All right, guys. Fantastic job today on your phonics lesson. And I hope to see you tomorrow for tomorrow's phonics. Bye, guys.